and hello to everyone. Welcome to the live program Diet Drama by Rama Mehta from Kuwait. Today, our EBC kids will create dishes out of fruits, veggies, and grains under the guidance of Rama Mehta. She has 30 years of experience as a nutritionist. She's the founder of an organization called Rangmat Se Healthy, which tries to connect drama and diet. She also hosts a podcast called Aao Baat Kare. She loves to write poetry and has written a book called Khirkiyan, which is published on Kindle. Rama also writes for various publications online. She has received Indian Achiever Award in the month of November last year. Great achievement, Rama. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here and connect with so many wonderful people. I was very excited when you approached me to do this particular workshop for the kids. I think among the lot, I always consider myself to be the youngest one because I think I am not older than a toddler, because in life there is so much more to learn, and these young scientists, I call all these children young scientists, they are so full of ideas and energy. They can teach us a lot. But yes, I would like to share a few things with all of you where when we talk about nutrition, because nutrition is something we all are concerned about, because we want our kids to be healthy, growing in a perfect health, in perfect mental and physical capacity. It's not only for the kids, it's for the older, seniors, everyone. The entire family needs to be healthy. Now, my major, I would say, concentration when I talk about health, nutrition, and food is that how we can connect with food and how we can make use of the food in the best way possible, that our mind accepts it and our body also accepts it. Now, for this, I am very excited to dive into drama as an element to connect with our emotions. Now, what is drama? I'll share my screen so you can have a look at a small PPT which I've created for you. Now, what is diet? Diet is anything which we eat regularly. Any kind of food which we eat regularly, it is called diet. Now, it can be rice, dal, roti, pizza, pasta, whatever is your staple food, that is considered as diet. And what is drama? Drama is the act of sharing stories. Now, I want all of you to do one thing. Stretch out your arms. These lovely kids, stretch out your arms and imagine that you are holding the hand of the other participant on Zoom, on your right side and on your left side. So you are holding the hand, close your eyes and imagine the warmth of the participant next to you. Can you feel the warmth in your hand? Can you? You can unmute yourself so I can hear you.
Yes, sort of.
Yes. So this is what? Yes.
I felt naturally warm, but still I felt something touch.
Yes, exactly. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to create a scene here where we imagine that on this Zoom space, we are holding the hand of the other participant. So this act is the story which we are trying to tell everyone. This is nothing but drama. How do we do drama? So let's imagine one thing. Stand up, all of you, and imagine on your hand there is an ant which is moving up. An ant. There is an ant which is moving up your arm. Imagine. And what you're trying to do is just getting rid of this ant. Shake your hand. Shake your hand. Shake your arm. It's getting up towards your shoulder. Shake it off. The other arm. Shake it off. Shake both your hands, both your arms. Shake your legs. It's just getting down on your legs. Just as we have to get rid of this ant. Please jump up, 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 off, off. Yes, yes. Now sit down. What we did right now, that we just got rid of the hesitation, the inhibitions that we have when we are in front of others, when we are trying to tell our stories. This is what is the first drama exercise. Now health. What is health? If we are ill, we are not healthy. If we are injured, we are not healthy. So health is when we are free of illness, when we are free of injury. Food. What is food? Food is anything that we eat and it makes us grow. So it can be the veggies, it can be the fruits, it can be the cheese, it can be the pizza, it can be the noodles which you're eating. Anything which is helping us grow is food. How drama and food are connected? You have papers with you? Do you have papers? Yes. So do one thing, make a circle in the center of the paper. Everyone, make a circle in the center of the paper. In that circle, draw eyes, nose, lips, ears. So what you are making is your own picture. Please make. You've made eyes, nose, lips, ears. So this is your picture in the center of the paper. You can see it on the screen also. There is a smaller circle and there is a picture of two children. So you have to make one picture. Done?
Yep, done.
Show me. You can pick up your paper and show me.
Okay. There.
All right. Okay, wonderful. So now draw another circle outside, a bigger one, like I'm showing on the screen. Can you see? There are two circles, in fact, three circles. The middle circle, draw another circle around your picture. Done? So now what you have to do in this circle, between your picture and the second circle, you have to write down the foods which you love the most. Write down all the foods, the name of the foods which you love the most. Quickly write down. It can be apple, it can be banana, it can be noodles, it can be burger, it can be rice, anything. Chickpeas, rajma, anything which you like. Write its name in that circle. Done? I think Richa, you also can do this exercise. It's for everyone. So when you take a paper, draw a smaller circle in the center. That is you, that is self. And in the circle, second circle, you have to write the name of the foods which you like the most. Done?
Done.
All right. And in the outer circle, write down the name of the foods which you don't like, which mama makes you eat, but you don't want to eat. Do you know such foods? It can be milk, it can be paneer, it can be anything, just anything which you don't like, but your mom tells you to eat because it's healthy. Finished?
Yes.
Who can tell me the foods which you like the most? What are the names of those foods?
I like pizza, kimchi,
Okay,
stir fry,
awesome,
tacos, nachos, and cyclone.
awesome.
It's
And which are the
cyclone is a type of ice cream.
okay? And which are the foods which you don't like?
Lobia, khichdi, and Maggi.
Okay, you don't like them,
No.
but you're forced to eat them.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Any idea why you don't like them?
Well, since I was very little, I didn't like khichdi. My mom always forced me to eat khichdi. Maggi, I don't like the taste of it. I just don't like having it. And lobia, I'm forced to eat it because of all the protein. It's good for you, but it doesn't taste that nice.
All right. Okay. Our rest of the participants, you've done?
Yes, I finished.
Can I see your food atom? This thing which we created is called food atom. Can I see your food atom? Little far. I can't see it. Ah, this is a beautiful one. I like your hair, huh? But which are the foods which you like? Foods which you like and foods which you don't like that you've not written.
Ma'am, written.
You've written?
I
Sorry.
like pizza, rice, apple, banana, mango,
Oh,
orange, Maggi.
awesome. All right. So when we draw a picture of ourselves in the center, and when we draw a picture of foods which we are close to, and pictures which we do not like, which are far away from us, we are telling a story. This is our story. In my story, I don't like who was it? Pizza. Somebody didn't like pizza?
Ma'am, this is Sahasra.
Sahasra. Okay. Awesome. Beautiful. And where are the foods which you've written? You like pizza?
I like pizza, mango, banana.
Awesome. So your story is, Sahasra, that you like pizza, mango and banana, but there are foods which you don't like. This happens every day in our life, that we like something and we like something and we do not like something. This is
I don't like
I finished everything. I finished.
You finished? Awesome. Very good.
I don't like jeera, ma'am.
You don't like jeera?
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. We cannot like some things, but we do like something. Important is that we do like certain foods. That is more important. Now, the thing is that we can always change what we like and what we dislike. If I ask you to move the things which you do not like into the circle in which you are liking the food, how you can do it? Like somebody didn't like khichdi. How can you move khichdi into the circle where you like foods? How can you do it? Khichdi is made up of rice and dal. So, when we eat rice and when we eat dal separately, we can in a way include khichdi in the circle of foods which we like. So we have to learn to like foods which we do not like by changing their form. How we can do it? You all have certain foods with you. I asked you to bring certain fruits and veggies with you. You have it?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What you have? What all foods you have? Show me.
Ma'am, have grapes, green grapes, purple grapes, banana, green apple, and orange.
Okay. And what can you create out of this? Create something. Can you create?
Microgreens, grated carrot.
Create something.
Jar flakes, some pinch of salt, pinch of chili powder, some lemon, 1/2 lemon.
Make something beautiful out of it.
2 tablespoons. Yes, ma'am, I made a salad.
Finish it and then show it to me.
1 minute, ma'am. Mix.
Awesome. Show me what you created. Okay, now do one thing. Can you see the picture on the screen? Can you see that? Can you see the picture of the hen?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see in between, there is a white part, right? That white part can be your rice, can be your quinoa, can be the breadcrumbs. And I have made feathers out of capsicum, red, yellow, green capsicum. And on top, the head and the neck and the beak is made up of cherry tomatoes. Can you arrange your stuff in a beautiful way? Can you do that? Can you create? Try and create. I'll give you another idea. Can you see this picture?
Ma'am, we're making heart shape.
Oh, you're making heart. Awesome, awesome. Then for heart, you should also have something red in it. How about that? Pomegranates or tomatoes, something you can put on top for color red. Do it with hand.
We will add tomatoes.
Ah, yes. Meera, you've made something?
No, ma'am. I'm going to make.
Okay.
I use some kiwis, grapes, apples, and a plum, and I turned it into like this squid type creature.
Just a minute. Ah, that's beautiful. Awesome. Very good. But can you now create another thing out of it? Can you?
Okay, I'll try.
Using the same ingredients, another recipe.
Teacher, I made one. Ma'am, we made heart-shaped rabbit. Ma'am, we made heart-shaped rabbit. I made one spider-like.
Wow, that's very imaginative. Wow, awesome. What all ingredients are there?
Oranges, green apples, and carrots.
Awesome. I just love what you're creating.
Ma'am, I made cheek of a girl.
Ah, your heart is now looking pretty red, full of lots and lots of healthy blood pumping out. Awesome.
I made a flower out of my thing again.
Oh, flower. Awesome. So now I'll ask you one thing. Do you all eat watermelon?
Yes.
You love it?
Yes.
I like it. Yes, ma'am.
What if I tell you how to create a pizza out of watermelon? See. Can you see it? The big slice of watermelon cut into triangles. On top, put some kiwis, put some strawberries, some blackberries or black grapes, and a little bit of cottage cheese sprinkled. And your pizza is ready. How about that? Who all would like to eat it?
Me.
And Sahasra, would you like to eat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. See, this food which we eat, we can create so many recipes out of the same food. Same oranges, same kiwis, same banana, same apple, same rice, same grain, same bread. We can create so many things. Now, to be your own nutritionist, you have to first know what all are healthy foods. Do you know what are healthy foods? What all are healthy foods? Eat. What all are healthy foods? All the fruits are healthy, right? Veggies are healthy, right? Milk is healthy, right? And what is not healthy? What is not healthy? Who will tell me what is not healthy?
Like pizza, burger.
Is not healthy, but you love it.
No, ma'am, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Junk food is not healthy.
Yeah. I just love it. Junk food is not healthy, but food is never junk. It's the way we cook the food that is what makes it junk. I just showed you how to make a pizza out of watermelon. Yes? Are you going to make the watermelon out of pizza out of watermelon? Next time?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
And how about that hen which I showed you? Now, let's see how to be your own nutritionist. To be your own nutritionist, you have to know the foods which you can eat lots of those foods. There are foods which you should eat in limit, and there are foods which you should eat very, very little. So we divide food into 3 categories. One is go category. Go and eat it. All the fruits, all the veggies, all the milk products, in the sense yogurt, cheese, low-fat cheese, chicken, fish, bean, lentils, sari dalein aapki, tofu, all are the go food. Go and eat them. But there are certain food which are the slow foods, which you should not be eating, but in little quantities.
Teacher, ma'am, you asked me to make something different out of the that I made earlier. So I made the orange, carrot, and green apple pizzas.
Awesome. Click a picture and do send it to me later. Click the pictures of whatever recipes you are creating. Take the pictures. Now understand which are the foods which should be eating little less. Those are the foods which you cannot avoid because you like them, but you cannot eat them every day. Like white bread, pastas, waffles, pancakes, biscuits, processed cheese spreads, your fruit juices which have a lot of sugar. These are the foods which you may be liking, but you should be eating once in a week, not every day. Once in a week. Now there are certain foods which you should rarely eat, like once in a month. Which are those foods? Cookies, cakes, cheesecakes, pies, ice creams, fruits in heavy syrup of sugar, anything which is deep fried like your French fries, hash browns. These are the foods which you should be eating once in a month. Now, if I ask you to plan your own diet, I just told you with the foods which should be eating every day, foods you should be eating once a week, and foods you should be eating once in a month. Can you plan your diet now? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Plan your diet. Plan your breakfast. What you will have in breakfast, what you will have in lunch, and what you will have in dinner. Let's see your diet plans. Make your diet plans. Now, I love to have masala oats in my breakfast. I love to have vegetable sandwich in my breakfast. I love to have veggies wrap in my breakfast. So these are the things which I like to have in the breakfast. But what are the things which you would like to have in your breakfast? And I just told you the healthy things which you can eat every day, your go foods. Plan your breakfast quickly. And this diet plan your moms should follow every day, because this is your diet plan which you have planned after knowing the go foods, slow foods, and the foods which you should eat rarely, the woe foods. Write down the options for the breakfast. One day I'll have sandwich, one day I'll have wrap, one day I'll have salad, fruit salad. So whatever are your options, put them down and plan your diet.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Awesome. All the 3 meals or breakfast? All the 3 meals?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so let's hear your plan. Tell me.
For breakfast, I love to have puttu and kadala, or dosha and sambar, or idli and chutney, or patiri and onion curry. These are the foods in Kerala.
Awesome. And what are your lunch options?
I'm going to write it, ma'am.
Okay. But I just want to ask you one thing, Meera, that there are other foods as well in the goal list, like your veggies and fruits. Do they get any chance to be there in your breakfast options? Can you add them?
Yes, ma'am.
Please add. Please add.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yes.
For my breakfast, I'm having either upma, poha, vermicelli, or butter cucumber sandwiches.
Okay.
For
And
lunch,
Hold on.
having
Just hold on. So in your upma and poha, can you add little bit more of veggies?
yeah, sure.
Because these are your go foods which you should have daily, right?
Yeah.
So which all veggies would find place in your poha and upma? Which veggies?
Carrots, carrots, capsicum,
Beans, green
spinach, beans. Yes, green beans, spinach.
Write down. So write down in my poha or in my upma all these veggies I will have. So this is what is your diet plan. This is how you plan your diet. What you're doing is that you're choosing the options to be in your breakfast, and what all ingredients are going is the detailed planning which you do for the diets. Done with the lunch option?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm done.
What are your lunch options?
Here in Kerala, at lunchtime we'll only eat rice,
Okay.
meal, and allowed to have meals. Rice and sambar. It's a curry,
Okay.
and in it, it's rich in vegetables.
Awesome. Can you add something else in your lunch from the milk group?
Yes, ma'am.
Like curd? Can you add curd in your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Another suggestion, Meera. It's good to eat rice, but it's always better to eat brown rice. Can you swap your white rice with the brown rice? Can you do that?
Ma'am, actually, I don't know what is brown rice.
So brown rice is the rice where the outer husk is not removed. The white rice is the rice where the outer husk is removed. Suppose these are the clothes which I am wearing. If I remove the clothes, there would be the inner body of mine. Same way, when we eat the rice, when we cultivate the rice, there is the outer covering of the rice, and then there is another covering, like we wear top, we wear undergarments, we wear jeans. So as we take off the layer, similar way, when we remove husk, there is another brown, slight light brown layer which is there on the rice. It is not removed, then the rice becomes brown rice. When it is removed, then it becomes white rice. So white rice is the rice without clothes, and brown rice is the rice with clothes. How about that? So I'll ask you to look for the brown rice, ask your mom to cook it and try to have it and see whether it can find place in your lunch. Can you do it?
Sure. Yes, ma'am.
So this is called diet planning, where we swap one option with the other, right? Who's done the lunch options? Who's the other one who's finished with lunch options? Tell me. What are your lunch options?
Oats.
In lunch.
Dal, rice, curry. Dal, rice, curry.
Dal, rice and curry. Vegetable. Vegetable curry. Which curry? Which veggies would you like to have in lunch?
Tomato.
And
Ladyfingers.
okay. And
Dal.
dal is not a veggie. Tell me the vegetable's name. Capsicum, green beans, carrots.
Carrots.
Okay. Peas. You like peas? You like peas? Yes. So add veggies in your lunch.
Ma'am, I added potato curry, potato fry to my lunch, and cabbage for upedi.
Potato curry?
Ma'am, every day I'm eating brown rice.
Okay. That's great. All right. So you tell me, Meera, what have you added? Potato curries.
No, ma'am, fried potatoes and fried ladyfingers.
But I just told you that your fried foods are your once a month item. You should not fry them. Cook them in oil, but do not fry them. Do not deep fry them. Cook them in oil for sure. So veggies, when we cook with normal oil with 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil, then they become your everyday go food. But when you fry them, they become once a month food. Do not fry your foods. Yes, what were you saying?
I finished my breakfast options and my lunch options.
Okay, tell me.
My breakfast options are fruits or vegetables.
Which fruits and vegetables?
Any types of fruits and vegetables.
You like all veggies and fruits?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Homemade juice.
Juice of what?
Homemade juice made out of can be apples, oranges, or carrots.
Okay, can't you eat them? Can't you eat your apples and carrots?
Yeah. And
So
then
eat
make
them.
into juices.
Eat them. Why juice them? Eat them.
Then
And what are your lunch options?
my lunch options are 1 banana, some fruits and some vegetables, and anything, then curd, then anything with nutrition in, which is also including curd.
No. So in lunch you need lots of energy. You need to have either rice, roti, veggies, dal. Your lunch should be complete. Plan your lunch again. Put rice, put dal, put veggies, put roti, and plan your lunch.
Ma'am, what is dal?
Dal is lentils, like chickpeas, red lentils, green gram dal, moong dal. When you make sambar, you are making sambar out of tur dal. So it's the dal is the basic ingredient. Lentil which you're using to make sambar is called dal. You can also use soya nuggets, soya granules, tofu, paneer, cottage cheese. All these are your healthy options to find place in your lunch. Right? And what is your dinner option? Plan your dinner.
Roti with curry.
Okay. Now I want all of you to enact a scene where your mom has prepared something and you don't want to eat. Can you enact? Can you? Suppose this is the plate which is in front of me. Mom, I'm talking to my mom. Mom, this is bitter gourd. I don't like to eat bitter gourd. But this is very healthy for you. You must eat it. But I don't like it. I don't want to eat it. You didn't ask me before you cook it. I'm not going to have it. Can you do? Can you enact? Yes or no?
Mummy,
I can enact.
Do. Go ahead. Please do it.
Okay. Oh wait, did you make bitter gourd? You know I don't like bitter gourd. I know, but it's healthy for you. but you know I don't like bitter gourd. You didn't even ask me. I'm not going to eat it.
So what are you going to do? What are you going to do then? You're not going to eat your lunch?
No, I will. I'll have to.
You'll have to.
Well, no, actually, bitter gourd is pretty good. Actually, I like Karela. It's good.
Awesome.
so bitter gourd is my favorite actually.
This is how we change. This is how we change. Then we start saying that no, I like it. I might like it. I would like to try it. And the thing becomes palatable. Then your mom is also happy and you're also happy. This is a very common scene which happens in our household. Anyone? Meera, can you enact a food which your mom has created and you don't want to eat it?
Why did you make bitter gourd? You know I don't like bitter gourd. Then I will make bitter gourd with jaggery. Then I will eat.
Awesome! So you can always eat little bitter gourd with little bit of jaggery and then you can eat it. We can always find a way to eat foods which we do not like. And who else is going to do it? Who else? Anybody is going to enact the scene for me? Niranjan? Which food do you do not like?
I do not like noodles.
Do not like what?
Noodles.
What is that?
Noodles.
Noodles.
And I also don't like a lot. Right? I don't like dosha a lot.
You don't like dosa? Okay, suppose your mom has made it. What you will do?
You know I don't like dosha, but then my mom will say it's healthy. I'm still not eating it, but I'm still going to eat it, and I'll eat it with something that will make it better.
So what will be that thing? What will be that thing which will make it better?
Sambar.
You like sambar?
And chocolate dosa will be awesome. Yeah, I like sambar.
Awesome. All right then. So there are always food which
Man, chocolate dosa is awesome.
But chocolate is your once a month thing. It's your war food which you should have once a month, not every day. So you cannot have chocolate dosa every day. Right?
I can
Act. Who can act?
Ma'am, can we eat dark chocolate?
Yes, you can eat dark chocolate. Small piece of dark chocolate every day.
I have dark chocolate at home.
You have it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yes, Meera, do.
Mom, what is this idli? You know I don't like idli, but it's so healthy. But I don't like. I'm not going to eat it.
Now tell me, Meera, how can you like idli? In what way your mom can prepare idli that you can like it? Can you tell me any suggestion?
For idli, we have curries.
Okay.
The curries, some curries I like. I like some curries, and I don't like some curries. If
Yeah.
she's making the curries that I like, I'll eat it.
Okay. So what are those curries? So tell your mom. So enact. Mom, if you will make it with this curry, I might eat it. How about that?
If you are making tomato chutney for me, I will eat this idli.
Yes, I would love to have idlis with tomato chutney. Now do this scene again. Do this scene again, Meera. Mom, why have you made idlis?
Mom, what is this idli? You know I don't like idlis.
And mom, what mom is saying? What mom is saying? Meera, I have made tomato chutney for you. Do. Yes, Meera.
Mom, what is this? You mean Mom made tomato chutney for me?
Yes, I have made tomato chutney for you. I think you like tomato chutney and you would like to have idlis with tomato chutney. Do you think you would like it?
Yes.
Awesome. So the idlis which you didn't like earlier, you started liking them once you had another ingredient which you loved. Okay? Right? Alright then, I hope you all have learned how to enact, how to dramatize your emotions, how to dramatize the foods which you don't like, how to plan your diet, and how you can create beautiful recipes using different ingredients. Right? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Alright then. Nice meeting everyone. Keep creating beautiful recipes. Keep sharing your pictures. And
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rama. It was a lovely session. Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Hope all the kids enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so for all the viewers who are watching us online, can join the EBC Kids Club for having to participate in such programs by logging in on our website www.earlybirdsclub.org. Thank you, everybody.